I'm Jacinta Villan, children's author and patron of the arts for young people here at SOAR. I'm a great believer in creativity for young people. It helps with keeping relaxed in an increasingly stressful world, and it's also a wonderful way to express yourself. Today, we are lucky enough to have the amazingly talented artist and sculptor Jacky Oliver. You'll see she's created the most wonderful artwork here, inspired by the history of the horse.
Show as many different techniques as you possibly can do.
She's going to be here all afternoon, so you can get involved in lots of different activities such as collage, using colour and stamps to create your own artwork.